Welcome to Discovery at Home. Today, we're going to talk bubble tool engineering. Now, I was wanting to play with bubbles, but I didn't have any bubble tools at my house. So I had to find different materials to create my own. The first thing I found was an empty water bottle. And what I did is I cut the bottom off, and so that the bottom is an open circle. Now I also took the lid off so that I have the smaller opening so that I can force the air through the smaller opening to reach the bubble solution on the other end. Now, I don't know if it'll work or not, but I'm going to test it out here. Oh my goodness, it did work. So, you never know what's laying around that might work. The next thing I have is a hair tie, elastic hair tie. And I also found some clothespins. What I did is I took the hair tie and then I just clipped it right onto the clothespin so that that clothespin was hanging onto it. And I decided to try that to see if it would work. That one worked pretty well. I like that one a lot. Another thing I had was ribbon. So I had ribbon and then I tied it into a circle. It's a little bit bigger than the hair tie. And I used the same idea with the clothespins. But I used 2 clothespins this time. I put them on each end there so that it would hold up and make a larger opening. So when I put it into the solution, I have to make sure all the ribbon gets in there. And when I pull it out, I try to keep it close together. And then when I'm ready, I spread it apart and force the air through. Now that one didn't work, and that's okay because I'm going to try again. It keeps popping. So what's really cool about engineering is that you can redesign something if it doesn't work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my clothespins to a different place. Maybe they were too far in, maybe they were too far apart, I don't know. But I'm going to adjust them just slightly here and see if that changes anything. So now I adjusted them a little bit. I'm going to try it again just to see if it works. And again, it may not work, but I'm going to try. Nope, not that time. Not that time. That's okay. One of them didn't work. Now, if you don't have any of these materials to build your own, you might look for different items around your house that might work. I found a plastic stencil that I have. Now, this stencil has the alphabet and letters on it, and it has a lot of different shapes. So, I thought it'd be fun to try something that wasn't too circular. So I was going to try the letter K, just to see if it would work. Now, I'm going to make sure the bubble solution covers all of that letter. It made a tiny bubble. How cool is that? So, you may not even have to engineer too much. You just might have to think about what materials would work best with the bubble solution. I am excited to see what tools you engineer to play with bubbles at your house. If you have any ideas you want to share with us, be sure to post them on our social media. Happy engineering!
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Evergy.
Thank you to Evergy for making Discovery at Home possible.